If you're a startup or SaaS founder where you're trying to engage with the community, make sure that they know about all the different updates, and you need to do this with a site that is code free, look no further than Better Mode. Today, we're going to look at the key features of Better Mode and how you can be using this for your startup or your SaaS company. So let's get started. With Better Mode, first of all, we can create different custom sites code free. But how do we begin with this? Well, it's important to note that we look at what we need for our own community, especially if we're a SaaS founder, we're building a startup. We need to think about what features or customizations that we need for our community to really talk to our audience. So, here at Better Mode on the first page, you can decide okay, what would I need? A custom navigation bar? What would I need for the header? What would that look like? And more importantly, what I really think the secret sauce is by looking at the templates, you can pick a template that works for you. For example, SaaSplex right here is for customer, community, and resource hub, right? That kind of fits for what we would need for a startup. Once we click the live preview, we can take a look at this example and we can see all the different things that we can have possible for our site for everything that we need. On the left-hand side, we have the home button. We have a feed here, so we can see all the different things that we could have. We have a leaderboard, so if people are either deciding to comment or their different interactions, we have a built-in leaderboard that we can use. For the resources, we have a section for getting started. So if we have if we're thinking about our SaaS platform, how people need to have the building blocks or the first steps, we can have a getting started section here. If we're doing a desktop or mobile app, payments and billing, then we can have a section for product updates here, the roadmap, where we're going to be going, what's planned, what's in progress, what's delivered, so they can really understand what's happening with the company. Then we can have a change log right here as well. We can also have different widgets here where we can have, almost like quick blurbs. Want to know what's ahead? Product roadmap. So then it switches to the other space that we have as well. So that's the resource section where we can have if we're updating. But then we have a community section here. So we have a section where people can introduce themselves, a discussion section, ask the community, a wish list where they can upvote, events, upcoming events, all of these different things where they can RSVP, and then you can have different groups based on where they are in the world. This is just one format that you can be using with Better Mode. What I would focus on is what are the key features that you need? What's going on with your audience? What are they saying to you? How are they trying to make sure that they're connecting with you? In the comment section down below, what are you looking for? What is your audience saying? Now, beyond that, if we go to Better Mode, the front page, go to products, and then we go to features, now we can have more of a breakdown of the structure, what we'd be getting, the spaces, collections, and tags. So, spaces are containers with built in posting permissions. So, basically, you can customize the different things that you're going to be doing. So, for example, if we have the discussions, ask the communities, we see the format changes, right? So it's a really easy plug and play to have that designed for us. And we actually have a video. There's going to be a link somewhere above me, or there's a link in the description below of showing an overview of our own version of what we did with Pocket Empire using Better Mode. And we showed all the different spaces and how you can be doing that a little bit more as well. Not only that, we see the authentication, what you can be doing, the customization, what it would look like for the members, the engagement tools. You can have reactions, comments, private messaging, leaderboards, badges, and the list goes on and on of what you need for really for your own site, your own business. I'm going to scroll down and click explore all features. Now, if I say explore all features, this is allowing you to see the 10 plus pre-made templates so you can see exactly what can be done with Better Mode, including having a format for articles, questions, having a landing page, events, document pages. The list goes on and on. But for your company, for your startup or your SaaS, they already have a template made for you. And you can get started for free. With Better Mode, you can actually start for free to test it out, have 10 members, 5 spaces, so you can really design an experience that you want. And then it gradually, you can pick either the light, pro, or business version that matches where you are in your business right now. So, what are you waiting for? There's already a template made for you to get started. You can start for free, and the link is down below. If you like more videos like this, you want us to talk more about Better Mode or other no code platforms or how you can advance in business, let me know. Let me know in the comment section down below, or like and subscribe because we do this every single week. I'll see you in the next video.